If you need to route your domain's email through more than one mail server, adding multiple MX records in Namecheap is the way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add multiple MX records step by step so you can set up your email correctly without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed, so click on that to continue. Now find the domain you want to configure. If you manage more than one domain, make sure you choose the correct one because the MX records need to be added to the exact domain you want to use for email. Once you've found it, click the Manage button next to that domain. This will open the domain settings page. From here, go to the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap keeps all of the advanced DNS controls, including mail records, host records, and other important settings. After opening Advanced DNS, scroll down until you see the mail settings section. By default, Namecheap may have a different mail configuration selected, so you'll need to change that. Open the drop-down menu and select Custom MX. This tells Namecheap that you want to manually enter your own mail server records instead of using a preset option. Once Custom MX is selected, you'll be able to add your own MX records. Click Add New Record. Then choose MX record from the record type list. This is the record type used for email delivery, and it's what tells mail providers where incoming messages should be sent. Now, in the host field, type the @ symbol, @. This usually means the root domain, so the MX record applies to your main domain name. After that, enter the first mail server in the mail server field. Make sure you type the exact server address provided by your email provider, because even a small typo can prevent mail from working properly. Next, enter the priority value. Priority is important because it tells email systems which server should be tried first. Lower numbers usually mean higher priority, so be sure to follow the priority values your email provider recommends. After entering the details, click the Save checkmark button to save that record. Now you'll repeat the same process for each additional MX record you need. Click Add New Record again, choose MX record, and then enter the next server details. Add @ in the host field again, type the second mail server address, and enter its priority value. Then save it using the checkmark button. If your email service requires 3 or more MX records, keep repeating the same steps until all of them have been added. The key here is to enter every server exactly as your provider gives it to you, and to make sure the priority values are correct and in the right order. Once you've added all of your MX records, double check everything before leaving the page. Confirm that the host field is set correctly, that each mail server address is accurate, and that the priority values match your email provider's instructions. This final check can save you from email delivery issues later on. And that's it. You've now learned how to add multiple MX records in Namecheap. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it's essential for setting up custom email services properly. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.